Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how make this flying heart granny square pouch. You can also use the flying heart pattern for any crafts you like. For example, tote bag, pillows, cardigan, blanket, and etc. You can put your gifts into it and take it to your friends, lovers, or your family. And also you can use it for the coins or airpods and etc. If you enjoy the crocheting and if you're beginner, please do subscribe my channel for more videos. Let's make it together. Start with the magic ring. Make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. As a 1 double crochet. Make 11 double crochet in the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring the yarn out and pull the yarn as you can. Join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the first. And now we're gonna work on front loop. Look, this is a back loop, this is front loop. We work on front loop, move into the front loop by the slip stitch, and now make 2 chain, 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, two double crochet in the next stitch. We work on front loop, don't forget it. 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 half double crochet in the same stitch that we had 1 double crochet, then 1 half double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 treble stitch in the same place that we made 1 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet in the next stitch, two half double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 chain and join with the slip stitch in the first chain. Cut the yarn a little longer and fast enough. After that we made a heart. Bring the heart from the wrong side. Here is our back loops. We have 12 back loops here. Look, here is our back loops. We're gonna work on here, make a slip knot on the hook and start from any of stitches you like. Bring the yarn into the back loops and bring the yarn out and make 1, 2, 3 chain. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Here is our 2 double crochet. and make 2 double crochet in the next 11 stitches. 1 and 2. Look here. Put the tail of the yarn into the stitches. In the end, we must have 24 double crochet. Join with the slip stitch in the third chain of the first and make 3 chain. And now 1 double crochet in the same space and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and now 2 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Do it until the end. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. In the end, we must have 36 double crochet. Join with the slip stitch to the third chain, and now we must make it as a square. Move to the third stitch by the slip stitch, and from there we're gonna start our square. Look here. Then move by a slip stitch to the third double crochet, and then make 5 chain, 3, 4 and 5 as a 1 double crochet and 2 chain, and 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2. Then 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 2 and 3. And now 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 chain and 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2. Repeat the pattern from here to here until the end. Look, 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 half double, 1 half double, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet. Repeat until the end. In the end, make double crochet before these stitches that we made in start of the row. Make a double crochet and join with the slip stitch in the third chain, and move to the 2 chain space by the slip stitch and make 6 chain, 6 chain, 4 chain as a 1 treble stitch and 2 chain as 2 chain. Make 2 treble stitch in the chain 2 space, and then make 1 double crochet in the each next stitches. Do it until the next corner. In the each of corner, you must make 2 treble stitch, 2 chain and 2 treble stitch in the same space, and 1 double crochet in the each stitches until the end. In the end, we make treble stitch before the stitches that we made in the end first, and join with the slip stitch to the 4th chain, and bring the yarn out, cut the yarn and fasten off. Here is our little heart. Make a slip knot on the hook and from fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, between third and fourth chain, from the back loop and third loop, we're gonna start and make 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1 single crochet in the each 5 stitches. Start from second chain and make 1 single crochet in each of chains. Even this one, and make slip stitch in the next stitch, like here, and make 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and make a single crochet in the next 4 chains. 2, 3, and 4. Make a slip stitch in the next stitch, and now make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make 1 single crochet in the next 3 chain. 1, 2, and 3. And now a slip stitch in the next stitch. Bring the yarn out and cut the yarn and fasten off. Here are our little heart's wings. Do it for the other side. For the connecting two squares together, insert the hook inside the 2 chain spaces in the 1 chain in 2 squares, and bring the yarn out from there and make a chain. Put the tail of the yarn inside 2 squares, and then put the hook inside the stitches from 2 sides and bring the yarn out from there. Turn the hook around. Make a single crochet. Hook. Take 2 sides together. Bring the yarn out. Turn the hook around and make a single crochet. You can use any pattern you like for connecting these squares together, and you can find one of the patterns for connecting in the previous videos, in the Halloween bags video. In the corner, make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and do the same for the other side. Do it until the here. In the 3 side, you must make these stitches. From the top, we work on one side. Make one single crochet in the two side, and then work on one side. Continue the pattern till you reach in the middle of the row. When you received in center, make a slip stitch and make 4 chain and a slip stitch in the next stitch and 1 chain, and again make a single crochet in the each stitches in the next. In the end, make 1 single crochet in the chain space and then put together and bring the yarn from 2 together and make a single crochet and then go in other side. Count the stitches you have. We have 15 stitches. Make 7 single crochet and in the next stitch after that we make single crochet where we're gonna make chains, and then make a slip knot in the same place and then make single crochet in the each next stitches until the end, and the last one join with the slip stitch to the first and cut the yarn and fasten off. Here is our flying heart granny squares pouch. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and make it for give it as gifts to your lover in the Valentine's Day. You can put your gifts in it or give it as a pouch or make it bigger as a bag. Look, it's very simple and very cute, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like this video, please let me know as comment below. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Love you all. Goodbye.